Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. This is going to be the first edition of Keeping Up with the Joneses. This is going to be a daily, weekly, monthly, whenever I feel necessary, blog on jobs that maybe I normally would not make a video on. Maybe they were too small, maybe I didn't have time, but this is a way for me to show you guys jobs that I normally wouldn't make and put into video. They're going to be short videos. There might not be a whole lot of explanation, but I just want to give you guys some ideas, let you see the other side of what we do sometimes, and give you a little more information about us. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
So we find ourselves working in Pembroke Pines, Florida today for what was supposed to be a one-day stair railing job. Unfortunately, it just didn't work out that way. We had 3 sections of railing to do. This would be the first one here, where we put in a modern newel post in this whitewashed color. Standard handrail. Me and my son Hunter working with our face masks on, of course, when we're in customers' houses now. Take all precautions. Unfortunately, this isn't the only section of railing that we're supposed to be doing. There's 2 other areas. We'll talk about that in a second. This is kind of cool. I special ordered these iron balusters in a matted nickel color, and they actually have a little sparkle to them. It's hard to tell in the video here. And it came out really cool. We still have to stain the handrail at the top, but that's going to be on day 2 of our installation. Fortunately, because when we got to the job, we were missing 32 out of the 40 feet of handrail that was supposed to have been delivered by Lowe's. They said they delivered the order. The customer said that the order was received. Just nobody communicated with me that the whole order wasn't delivered. So unfortunately, we'll be back for a second day. The frustrating parts of my job that I have to deal with sometimes. Lack of communication by vendors and sometimes even customers. But hey, in today's day and age, there's more important things to worry about.
This is a perfect example of lack of communication. Had Lowe's, who is the vendor in this case, let me know that they did not send all of my stair railing out to this job, I would have not gone to the job, which was an hour away from home. This was a one-day job. Now it's a 2-day job. Inconvenient, a lot of extra driving that I shouldn't have to and don't need to be doing, and a waste of time. Unfortunately, stuff like this happens. I have to deal with it. There's a lot worse things that can happen to you in life, so I try not to let it get to me, because it happens a lot in life when you're relying on other companies and other vendors. So you have to take the good with the bad. For every one like this, there's 10 or 20 that go right. We'll have to go back. The customer was really cool. They understood, and they were pretty forgiving. I guess it wasn't their fault. I mean, they shouldn't have to check the order. They told me that the stair nose came in, so I just assumed that it came in. The new delivery is set for a couple days from now. We'll go out and finish the job, and everyone will be happy. So that is a little bit about the bad side of our business and what happens sometimes and the stuff that we deal with and we just have to deal with. You know, it happens, but that's just part of doing business. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install flooring from wood to laminate and more. Plus, we do product reviews. We review wood, laminate, vinyl. We put wood up against vinyl. We run them over. We dunk them. We submerge them. We do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for tuning in.